mzazi nilimtumia message haja reply.
Excuse me, mwalimu.
Yes, Bram.
I was asking if you can help me with the phone. I call my parents.
Shout, sikusikii, shout.
I was wondering.
Yes, you are wondering?
If you can assist me with your phone. I call a parent so that he can send for me
unataka kupigia mzazi?
Money pocket.
Hata wiki mbili hazijaisha, unataka kupigia mzazi simu?
Hakunipatia
alikwambia ukifika utanini. So ndio nikupatia hii simu. Nataka uniambie kitu moja. What is photosynthesis?
That is very easy, mwalimu.
Yes, very easy.
Very easy.
Niliwafunza.
Very easy, yes.
Last week I taught you what is photosynthesis.
So, you said photosynthesis
is the process. Yes, is the process
of taking a picture. A plant.
Even ndio nilifunza.
Yes, that is the way you taught us. It's the process which by which you take a picture of a plant. Yes.
Bram.
Yes.
Inamaanisha mimi
mshahara
nalipwa, nalipwa kuja kucheza class.
No.
Photosynthesis